All right, the 13-year-old girl accused of starting this devastating wildfire in San Marcos last May will stand trial. Today at juvenile court, the girl was found mentally competent to stand trial. 10 News reporter Jennifer Jensen is now live in Kearney Mesa with the new details on what goes into these competency exams. Jen.
Well, there's a lot, actually, Steve. 10 News was here actually last month when that judge ordered that mental competency exam, and I was sitting in the front row today as those results were read.
We're not showing you the face of Cheyenne outside of the courthouse because she's underage. But here, walking with her parents and her attorney, is the 13-year-old charged in connection with the Cocos Fire. We're also blurring her face here in these Facebook photos showing Cheyenne is an avid cyclist. She lives in the same San Marcos neighborhood where May's devastating Cocos Fire quickly spread to more than 2,000 acres. Inside juvenile courtrooms, cameras are not allowed, but 10 News was in there as her attorney entered not guilty pleas on her behalf on 4 felony counts of arson, including 1 count of arson from the day before the Cocos Fire started. Also in the courtroom, we learned the 13-year-old was found to be mentally competent to stand trial. We asked the prosecutor what goes into those competency exams.
Generally, the mental competency process is where they're evaluated by a doctor who does really a mental determination to determine if the child can assist their attorney, understands the proceedings, understands the language being used.
The deputy district attorney also told the judge and the courtroom that Cheyenne's parents could be held responsible for restitution.
That is a legal requirement in order to give notice to the family that if there is restitution, they may potentially be liable for a restitution.
How much depends on how many claims are filed. Back outside the courthouse, we asked her attorney Ryan McGlynn if he would talk with us.
Will you talk after you walk into the car?
Sorry.
By court order last month, Cheyenne still maintains a 6 p.m. curfew.
Now, if she is found guilty on all 4 of those felony counts, she could face, get this, 13 years, 8 months behind bars. She's expected to be back here at juvenile court next month, and you can bet 10 News will be here as well. We're live here in Kearney Mesa. Jennifer Jensen, 10 News.